Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing two simple and quick iftar recipes, so let's get started. First up, fruit chaat. In this recipe you can use any fruit of your choice, but I will be using apples, bananas, dates, pomegranate, and strawberries. Cut or chop all the fruits, one after the other. Put them all into a big bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of chaat masala. Then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of tamarind date chutney. Gently mix everything. The so yummy and easy fruit chaat is ready. Next, watermelon sherbet. Cut out half a watermelon and then cut into pieces. Put a quarter of that amount into a blender and blend well. Fill up a glass with cold milk. Take a ball and add ice cubes. Then add the watermelon juice into the ball. Then add the milk. Add 4 tablespoons of ruhafza syrup. Add the remaining quarter of the watermelon, chopped in pieces, to the ball. Mix everything well. The delicious and quick watermelon sherbet is ready. Enjoy your iftar drink. Thanks for watching.